welcome to Living Off the Van. We're the Nolders, Henry and Sarah, along with our 3 kids, Nyoka, Kiana and Louie. We've packed up our everyday lives to travel Australia with no known end date. Watch and subscribe to Living Off the Van to follow our adventures and see all the amazing places we go. What's Louie drinking? What's on your drink?
Uh-oh.
What's this? Drink
What
it.
are you drinking?
Still got some left. Quick, drink it. Milk make Louie big and strong.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Louis decided he wants to drink our only milk that we have for coffees in the morning. We're just going to have to go buy one, damn it.
Treated ourselves to some Uber Eats so we didn't have to leave the hotel room. Yum. Yummy, Louie. Dinner. It's called this, whatever that's called. Miss Shoe or something.
Oh, yum, chili flakes.
Sriracha, chili.
Chili.
Oh, yeah. So, you guys are probably wondering what's going on.
Probably not. But...
We've decided that we would...
Mommy, color.
yes, that is Louie's dinner. Look. Noodles, chicken, zucchini. That's Louie's. Yeah. Oh, cucumber, noodles, chicken. That's for Louie.
So you guys are probably wondering what's going on. Anyway, we've decided to come down to Melbourne, just the 3 of us, and it's Sarah's birthday a couple of days ago, and we didn't really do anything for that, so I thought let's just get a hotel and tie in the reason we're in Melbourne, which is why are we in Melbourne?
We're picking up the new van.
Yeah, so
Picking up our new caravan.
we didn't want to get up at 5 a.m, which is what we were doing every day, going down to do some videoing. Tying all that in, and then it was getting a little bit difficult, so I thought, why don't we just chill
We might
out
just wind this up. I really want to eat my food, and then you can finish talking.
No, we're basically picking our van up tomorrow. We didn't want to leave at 5 a.m. So we're going to get stuck into this and we will see you in the morning.
Good morning. It is Caravan handover day.
Louis.
It's finally come, hasn't it, Louis?
Yeah, we're very excited to actually go there and pick this up. It's been a very long process to get this sorted, which I'm sure any of you who have actually built a van, it takes its time, and today's the day. So
yes, and did we think we'd be here a few months ago? Definitely not, but we've achieved something that we didn't think we'd be able to achieve.
Yeah,
we set ourselves a pretty high goal and achieved it now, and it feels pretty bloody good.
Yeah, no, it definitely does. Here, Louis, play with that. So yeah, we're just we've gotten up this morning and we're going to go find something to eat.
Have a coffee.
Yeah, chill out for another hour or so. I think handover's at about 10:30, so we'll make our way down to Titanium and check out our new van, which I'm actually super keen to see. From the photos that Amy that has been drip feeding us, it's been good to see.
Okay, this is the cart that opens the door. That opens the door. Yeah, excited because we actually got to kind of design and pick things with this one and change a few things to suit us. So this is our, I think, ideal van.
Yeah, for us.
Yeah, so it's exciting. I'm sure there's other families out there would love the van we're getting as well, but we're not going to say it's for everyone because it's not, everyone's different. But yeah, we adjusted a few things in this van to suit our family and us and make it our home, because it is our home. So yeah, it's exciting. The girls are back home with my sister and they're so excited for us to rock up with the van today.
Yeah, so they did want to come, but then they're like, oh, we wanted to spend a day at school, so
yeah,
that's fine. We just got Louis in tow and he's keen to get something to eat, so he
wants breakfast.
Yeah, let's we'll go. We'll stop talking. We're gonna go show you this van.
Yeah. He's excited about the Caravan. He's running there.
First thing we're going to do is wash the car though. You can't have a brand spanking new Caravan clean in a dirty car.
Although it is raining, and yes, Henry's going to wash the car and it's raining. Oh! He fell.
Don't go.
We're just pulling up to Titanium. We can see our van.
Don't go.
It's in the middle. It's not small.
It's right there.
It's waiting for us.
Oh, they've pulled the hitch off for us.
Already?
We're on time.
Yeah, and it looks good.
They got some really nice vans too out the front of that.
So exciting. Jeez, it's big. Look how long it is.
Don't go. Chasing a dream. You do. Don't go.
So we do have to fit our Lovell's hitch to it. So Henry is just working on doing that now because we can't tow our van away because it's too big without our Lovell's hitch, because that allows us to have high towing.
Going straight into installing this.
Louis.
Tough one.
For Dad.
Can I have that one, please?
Tough for Dad.
Chasing a dream.
Mama, help.
You
there for Dad.
Don't wait up, I let it go. Chasing a dark place we don't know. Chasing dreams, do it right.
Hello guys, as you've seen, we have picked up our van and we've headed back to Swan Hill. We're going to spend a few weeks here fitting our van out before we hit the road again and make sure we've done absolutely everything we want to it before we hit the road, because last time we were just doing things on the road and it wasn't a nightmare, but it was just annoying running around learning where things are at places to get things, to do things. So
long story short of that, we like carrying extra tools was a nightmare. In the end, we sent all those tools back home once we sort of finished it, but we didn't know what we wanted and what we needed as well.
Yeah. So anyways, we've got our new van with us right now and we're going to give you a quick walkthrough of it, fully empty as we've picked it up from Titanium, and give you a sneak peek of our colour choices, layout.
Yeah, we won't go through every little detail in this episode. This is probably just to show you what it looks like right now before we do our finishing little touches to it.
Yeah, and then we're going to do a full walkthrough for you guys in a few weeks, so stay tuned for that. We're going to walk through everything, all the choices we've made, why, and show you how we've styled it.
But right now we'll show you as it is.
Yep, bare bones. Welcome to our Titanium Hardcore 23'6" Caravan. Come in. Got a king bed. Excited for that. Anyways, here she is. Our dream van. Toilet. A shower. Got a washing machine. Kids area. Got a TV. Well, there you have it. Our first built caravan.
Yeah, it was an interesting process on how all that worked, and it come out fine in the end. Like, sometimes it's daunting, sometimes it's not. Sometimes you wonder whether you made the right decision on colours.
Or just little things you're changing. You think, oh, do they think we're crazy? But anyways, we didn't go out.
Yeah, we did keep it simple. Like, we kind of designed the van too that if we were to sell this van and go to the next one, it would be beneficial to the person that has it after us too. So,
yeah,
we don't do drastic changes.
Hey, we're not talking about selling it yet.
No.
It's our, we're going to enjoy it for quite a while first, I think.
I'm hoping a little bit longer than the last one, but anyway.
The kids are super excited to move in. We can't wait to move in and start hitting the road again, but that might be a little while just while we fit things out to how we want. But
the changes we do want to make are actually nothing really. They're just little things, like just putting a barbecue in and working out what we're doing with the bikes. We're not sure whether we'll take them or not, so Yeah, just little things. Like, we're not going to go and engineerily change everything like I did on the last van.
No.
So...
Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video.
Stay tuned for our walkthrough video. We are going to try and do that while we're still at home, and take our time with that. That was a nightmare on the road last time.
Yeah. So if you haven't, like and subscribe so you can get notified when we do launch our walkthrough video.
Yeah, our last one was an hour and a half. I think I'll cut it in half this time. We'll do all the outside and then the inside in 2 separate videos.
Yeah, we'll probably do that. Yeah, we'll see how we go. We'll probably put the whole video together and then decide whether we're chopping it or not. But yeah, that'll be a while away, but yeah.
Stay tuned.
Thanks for watching.
See you next video.